Y'all, I almost messed up again. I started this daggone video and the mic wasn't even plugged into the camera. Anyway, so I am back, y'all. So I am coming today to do a style on these bantu knots. Make sure y'all watch the video before this one. It was of my makeup tutorial using the Jackie Aina new what is it, LeBron's diamond glow powder. Oh my god, y'all, it's beautiful. I have it on now, actually. I hope that y'all can see it because I don't have on that much, but I'm just gonna take down these bantu knots. It's been like this for like a couple of days, like 2 days, I think. And it's still moisturized, y'all, still moisturized. Just oil and water, just oil and water. But yeah, these bantu knots are from my nighttime routine. Make sure y'all go watch that video. And this is just part 2 of the makeup video because I didn't do my hair in that video. So this is part 2. So welcome to part 2. Okay, so I'm just gonna take these out and then fluff my roots and then see if we can put it into ponytails. I don't even know if it's gonna do right, but y'all, I'm trying to get ready to go on camera on my Yummy Bites TV channel, and I have to go and get the food, and I have to hurry up, y'all, because it's kind of late, honestly. But I did want y'all to see. Oh, in those 2 days that I had my hair in these bantu knots, I made sure I sprayed them with water every night. And if I needed to, I put some oil in my scalp. Oh, I hope this come out right, y'all, because I don't know. Yeah, I'm using a new mic. This mic is just like a more professional mic, instead of the clip-on mic that I usually have. So I don't have to have anything clipped on my shirt. That was so annoying with that long cord. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm so nervous that it's not gonna come out right. Oh my gosh. I have to, uh-oh, I didn't get this one. I have to fluff the mess out of my roots, y'all, for it to be. And these two right here are gonna be my bang area. So I'm going to and I already have my part down the middle of my head, so I don't have to worry about that. I do need my mirror though. Y'all, please excuse me if you see any kind of dandruff in my head, because my scalp is acting a fool. I mean, it is not happy at all. Okay, I'm gonna put just a little bit of this control paste, passion fruit curl control paste. I'm just gonna put it on my edges, just smooth them down, and I'm gonna add a little bit of water. That's another thing, y'all. You can use water for lots of stuff. Even laying down your edges. Water will lay down your edges, you guys. I promise. I know it lays mine down. And you're gonna take the ponytail and you're gonna put it as close to your middle part as possible, so it won't look like a childish ponytail. You know what I'm saying? And it's close to the front also of your head. going to separate this for the gods, okay? Because you want it to be super big. Or if you don't want it big, you can keep the definition and just wear it, you know, like this. But I want mine a little bit bigger. I have to look in this mirror because I cannot see in that viewfinder. It's so hard. Y'all, I'm talking a little bit low because my son is right there in the next room asleep. So, try not to wake him. Ooh, y'all, I have to hurry up. It's taking too long. But it's cute though. I'm so glad I'm recording it because I wasn't even going to record it. So I'm gonna take this side down so y'all can see what I'm talking about, how it's gonna look. And you just separate this very carefully. You won't have any frizz in the front. I think I just made myself some frizz, but it's okay. And you just have these tendrils hanging down like that. Y'all see where I'm going with this? I hope y'all see where I'm going with this. It may be a little childish, but I love it. I love it. Never worn my hair like this before. Okay, so let's get this side together. Like that. Bangs and two puff balls that you can't tell are puff balls. Unless I part the hair C and make it to where people can tell, oh, that's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. Let me shape it, y'all, because I can hardly see anything. All right, y'all, this is gonna have to be it. All right, y'all, so before y'all go, please thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share everywhere. And I will be back, y'all, with another hair video, so stay tuned. Peace.